Hi, it's Grannie Tesla, and we just got Full Self-Driving version 14.2. I'm so excited, and I'm going to teach you some of the things I've learned using the new Full Self-Driving 14.2. I'm so excited. Some of you might have gotten it for a 1-month trial, and you're afraid of using it, so this is the perfect video for you. If you've never done Full Self-Driving and you own a Tesla, this video is for you. But let's say you're curious, but you don't own a Tesla. I'm going to give you a referral link below, and it'll give you some extra bonuses for you to test drive a Full Self-Driving Tesla. I'll also say, having used Full Self-Driving now for, well, really it's been a while, it's been a couple of years, but the newer releases, each release has improved dramatically. This is an amazing release, 14.2. But I will have to say, overall, the Full Self-Driving is safer than any car on the road. Okay, Full Self-Driving. I know it sounds scary, but you've got to learn to trust it. Not 100%, but once you learn to trust it, and if you learn its style for driving, you're going to love it. So here are my 4 different hints on using Full Self-Driving. Number 1, believe it or not, you can't start Full Self-Driving unless you have your safety belt on. I'm not sure if that's true for all the passengers, because I've been driving by myself, but if your car has passengers, I'd be curious to see if they also have to have their safety belt on. Just put a comment below. Number 2, enter in your destination. Now, Tesla cars are amazing, but they still can't read your mind. You have to tell the car where to go. And there are different ways of entering your navigation and your destination. I have a video on different ways of doing that. I will link it and put it in the description below. My favorite way is syncing my phone calendar with my car, because this way when I get in the car, the destination is already there, the address is there, and I'm able to just take off on Full Self-Driving. So that is definitely the way I go. Now, if you've never synced your calendar with your car, I have a video that shows you how to do that. So just follow the link and watch the video. Number 3, with new Full Self-Driving, you can actually determine your speed preference and then attach it to your profile. I like either chill or standard on the highway, and I prefer sometimes hurry on the back roads. The nice thing about it, with the new display, all of that information is located on your screen, and you can also determine what you want the car to do when it gets to the destination. You can either park it in a parking lot, or on the street, or on the driveway. I've noticed that when I say driveway, it parks on my husband's side of the driveway. I have to figure out how to teach it to park on my side of the driveway. Number 4, pay attention. It's still not autonomous. It's close, but it's not there yet. You still have to pay attention. I have found an issue where I entered the destination, and the destination was correct, and the route on the map was correct. The car didn't follow it. It kind of did something else. So you still have to be able to override it at any time, and you can feel comfortable doing that as long as you're paying attention. So pay attention. No sleeping in the back seat. Pay attention. So there you have it. Those are the 4 different tips that I have for Full Self-Driving. If you have any tips that you want to add, please add it to the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so when I add a video, you'll be notified. So for Grannie Tesla and Full Self-Driving, bye for now.